Now, one aspect you may want to adjust if you are using any 2D images of your work is how the image appears on the screen, because it can be very static. So in this instance, what you're going to need to do is double click on the image, ensure it is displaying in your preview panel, come up to effects control, and you can see that you've got lots of video effects here, and this effects panel is very similar to the one that you will find in Photoshop. You'll also notice along this right hand side that you've got a much increased timeline that's going to help you in setting your keyframes and adjusting these effects for your images. Now in this instance you can adjust anything from the motion to the opacity, and you've got your marker here, and that's going to help you indicate where your keyframes are. Now to add a keyframe, all you need to do is click on this little stopwatch looking thing, which is going to help you to toggle the animation. So if you click on that, you can see your keyframe marker has appeared underneath your play marker, this red line here. Now to adjust this as we go through, you're going to want to maybe start with the image quite small as we come into the clip and drag along our marker and just hover over again and drag to the right for it to increase, or drag to the left for it to decrease. In this instance, drag to the right because we want it to be zoomed in. And again, that has added in the next keyframe. If we put this back to the beginning and play through, you can see that it's actually beginning to zoom in on the image, which just adds a nice effect and makes it look a little less static.